Hello everyone, just thought I would share this quick technique I have been using to finish off my raw edges. My machine does have an overlock stitch and this is what it looks like. Comparing it side by side. I much prefer my method and it can be done with a simple zigzag stitch. So I set my machine to a zigzag on my Brother FS40, this is number 4. I lower the stitch length and widen the stitch width. But the real star of this show is this foot. You can do it without this, but with this foot you can go as fast as you like and you do not have to watch the fabric as much. This foot was included with my machine, but I will link it down below and its counterparts for other branded machines if I can find any. It has this little bar at the back that helps keep the fabric flat as the zigzag wraps the edge of the fabric. So with this technique we are going to create the world's smallest rolled hem. When the fabric goes through the foot, you don't want it laid flat against the bed of the machine. You actually want it slightly raised. I like to line mine up with the top of the foot and this will roll at about 1 or 2 millimeters. So just keep that in mind. If you are going to do both sides of the fabric, you could lose up to 4 millimeters, nearly half a centimeter, if you are working with tight measurements. And if you find your fabric isn't rolling, try widening your zigzag stitch just so it catches the edge of the fabric and then pulls it over. Once it's pulled over, you can always adjust the width while you're going as well. But experiment with different lengths and widths to see what you like the look of. This should also work on knits, as the zigzag stitch will maintain the stretch, but I haven't tried it on any knit fabrics yet. I was just really happy with the result on this dress and I just had to film a video and share it with you all. So when it comes to the turning corners, you will need to detach the stitches from the foot underneath just by pulling it away from you, turning it and then replacing the fabric back onto the foot. It works best to turn when the needle is on the outside, as that will help to pull the fabric back over when you start. Please forgive my terrible camera work here. I was trying to hold my phone whilst also driving the machine and holding the fabric. It may take a couple of stitches when you first get started just for it to catch and fold the fabric over. But if it doesn't, just maybe raise the fabric a little bit or widen your foot, as I said. So as with everything, practice makes perfect. But after finishing all of the raw edges on my new summer dress, I have to say I have this technique nailed. So I think once you've made one garment using this technique, you'll never go back. Thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe for more videos, and if you can, please leave a comment down below. That really helps my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.